Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you just how simple and fun it is to create a beautiful and versatile concrete pot. You can use it as an elegant candle holder or charming flower pot, perfect for adding a touch of style to any room. We'll need just a few basic supplies, a regular plastic bucket which will double as our mold. First, make sure to protect the surface of the bucket with food rope. This is a crucial step as it prevents the concrete from sticking, making it easier to remove later. Next, we'll use tape or the food rope to help keep the concrete in place and reinforce it so that your pot is nice and sturdy. Now let's mix up our concrete. I'm using a classic proportions of 1 part cement to 3 parts sand with some water and a spoonful of white glue for quick setting. Mix it all together well, then let it sit for about 20-30 minutes. The next step is really simple. Spread the concrete mixture evenly along the inside of the bucket. If you want a larger pot, you could fill the entire bucket, but since I'm making a medium-sized one, I filled it up about 1/3. I made my mixture a bit more liquid than I intended. It should have a texture like slightly melted butter, but mine turned out more like liquid cream. So I applied a thin layer and had to add more later to get the right thickness. If you make yours a bit thicker from the start, you can get it done in one go. Once it's all set, let the pot dry for about 24 hours. After it dries, carefully remove it from the bucket. At this point, I made a few small adjustments, filled in some spots with more concrete mixture and smoothed out the edges with a wet brush for a nice polished finish. Let it dry for another day and then comes the fun part, decorating. You can use dry pigments, acrylic paints, or whatever you have on hand. I went for muted colors by diluting water-based pigments and applied them all over the pot. To give it a lovely aged look, I used a dry brush and a bit of umber colored acrylic paint, brushing lightly over the surface. And here it is, a stylish, timeless pot that can fit seamlessly into any interior. I love using mine as both a candle holder and a flower pot, and it's so easy to make. And it adds such a cozy touch to your home. Thanks so much for watching.